Now, we have a prize in medicine named after Nobel Laureate in medicine, Dr. Richard Robert. This was established a couple of years ago in his honor. And who is the winner? The winner is Fuhua Yang. And applause. She does not believe, I guess. She's taken by surprise. The field in medicine. Actually, she works on oxidative stress and has published recently papers that are among the best viewed in peer-reviewed journals. Congratulations, congratulations. That's the award. Named after Roberts. You can keep this. Let's go this way to have our standard. Keep with this hand. Not with this hand. Okay. And applause, please. She's already very emotional. Take the emotions away. Thank you very much. You can say some words.
Thank you very much, and it's a very surprise for me. I can speak well in English, so I just say thank you very much. A wonderful award.
That's a certificate. Congratulations again. Congratulations.